One very related concept to India VIX is the implied volatility of the option chain. Implied volatility is a way of forecasting of a likely movement in an option's price. Implied volatility is also used to price option contracts. Higher implied volatility results in options with higher premium and vice versa. In option pricing, models like Black-Scholes, if all other parameters are put in, then we can get implied volatility as an output. Let us first find out the India VIX and then compare the same with the implied volatility of different options. Let us Google it. India VIX on the closing of market on March 5, 3:30 or 3:31 p.m. was at 25.56. So this is quite a high volatility, but anyway, let us compare them with the volatility of different option chains or different types of option contract. Let us go to the website of NSE and let us click Nifty, and then let us click on option chain. Now here we have all the contracts of Nifty 50 and we will observe their implied volatility. The market was running at that time at 14,938.10. That was the Nifty 50 spot quote. So let us go to some contracts which are close to this 14,938, which are near the money contracts. For example, 14,950 or 15,000 strike price. The implied volatility on the strike price of 14,950 was 25.91 on the call side and was 24.32 on the put side. Now let us go to 15,000 strike price. There the implied volatility was 25.25 on the call side and it was 24.31 on the put side. So the implied volatility of Nifty 50 contracts near the money are always close to Nifty VIX, that is India VIX. And the reason is obvious, because India VIX is determined among many other inputs from the input taken from the option market, Nifty 50 option market. Now this is a chain of contract, this is another chain of contract. Let us go down and down. Let us come to 16,000. In 16,000, the implied volatility on the call side is 27.57 and on the put side it is 37.43. That means implied volatility has gone up. And again, let us see at 14,000. 14,000, the implied volatility on the call side is 30.61. Again, it has gone up. And on 14,000 strike price on the put side, it is 33.87. So near the money, it is close to India VIX, but when it moves away, either on the upper side or on the lower side, the volatility increases. Now let us try to find out the implied volatility about Bank Nifty. Let us go to market data again and then let us click Bank Nifty. Under Bank Nifty again, let us go to the option chain. Option chain in Bank Nifty. If you see, Bank Nifty was running at around 35,228. So let us see near the money options. Say let us say 35,200 or 35,300. In 35,200, the implied volatility was 36.58 on the call side and 35.53 on the put side. And in 35,300, it was 37.79 on the call side and 35.75 on the put side. This basically means that the implied volatility of Bank Nifty contracts are always much higher than the implied volatility of Nifty 50. This is one of the reasons I always advocate people to start with Nifty 50 if you are trying to wet your feet in the options market. You should always start with Nifty 50 because Nifty 50 has lower volatility compared to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has a volatility which can become sometimes almost double the volatility of Nifty 50. Now let us see what is the volatility of stock options, because as I already told you in some other lecture that you can have various types of options. So Nifty 50 is one option, Bank Nifty is another. A third option chain on financial markets has also been introduced. There are options on Nifty IT, but those are not very liquid, very widely used options. The widely used options are Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. Now in the stock options, let us see what are the major options that are available in the market. The major options that are available in the market are Reliance, SBI, Maruti, HDFC Bank, Wipro, etc. If you calculate by volume, the highest volume is of Reliance, then the next highest volume is of SBI, then you have Tata Motors. Like that, the volume goes down and down because I have indexed it on the volume. So let us get into any of these stock. Let us say Reliance options, option chain of Reliance Industries. So I go to the option chain. Reliance Industries spot price was running at 2,174. So near the money at 2,200 or 2,180, what was the volatility? On the call side, 2,180, the volatility was 37.36, and on the put side, it was 38.29. On 2,200, the volatility was 36.60 on the call side and 38.36 on the put side. So what this basically shows? The volatility of the stock options are also very high. Sometimes it can go up to double of the volatility of Nifty options. You will see the same thing if you go to SBI. Let us go to SBI. Let us go to SBI and see its option chain. SBI was running at 385.38 on 5th March 2021 at 15:30, and near the money options 390 or 385, the volatility was 49.08, 48.44. This side on the put side 50.35, 50.48. That means it is already very close to double of the Nifty 50 volatility. On top of these, the volumes in stock options are not very high. If you compare the volume of stock options to Nifty 50 options or Bank Nifty options, the volume is not very high. So this is why I discourage people to take any position in these stock options, even in Reliance or in SBI, because since the volume is low, the scope of manipulation is much higher. In Bank Nifty and Nifty 50, the volumes are so high that scope of manipulation is quite low. But between the two, Nifty has lower volatility and Bank Nifty volatility most of the time, almost close to 2 times the volatility of Nifty. Or sometimes it can be 1.5 times of the volatility of Nifty 50. Therefore, I also tell people to avoid Bank Nifty because managing your positions when the market volatility is high is quite difficult compared to managing the positions when the volatility is low. Even in this case, Nifty 50 volatility is Nifty 50 volatility or India VIX is coming to 25.56, which is also very high. You should attempt to be in the market between the points of 18 to 25, and after 25 you should be extremely careful, which I have already told you. Thanks for your attention.